There is one thing in common among all of us. We all want to live with life with value system. So what do you mean by value system? Value system means are we living our life with principles, decision making or beliefs? We all have some types of belief system, and if you are doing and spending time for the right kind of thing, it means you are working for your value system. I remember there were times I was not clear what value system was, and I was living my life without any direction. I had big dreams, but because I was not working, so I was not getting result. Most of the time I was validation from others. Is this thing is good? Is this thing is bad? And sometimes I if I purchase something and I like that, when I ask someone, this started saying it was not good, it was costly, and I changed that particular thing because of that always feeling bad. But when I started transforming myself, everything started changing. Now I have clarity, focus, and dedication to do my work. And three value system I'm working for. First, integrity. I walk my talk. I respect my word of mouth. I just, if I have taken decision, I love to do that work. And I have learned from my mentor one thing: decision made, decision made. If I have taken decision to do something, I love to do that. Like in the year 2020, I decided to become a public speaker. Whether I'm doing good or not, it's my commitment with myself that I have to become a public speaker. And till my last breath, I love to express myself. And I know if I'm not better right now, then I will become better one day, and I'm little bit better from earlier. I love to express my thoughts, so I'm enjoying doing. Second, respect. I respect myself and respect each and everyone around me. Whether someone is below me or above me, it's my duty to respect everyone. It's my value system to live life in this way. And third thing is empathy. I put my feet into other person's shoes and love to understand other person, to go to their level, what that person is thinking, what is the problem of particular person, and love to serve the society selflessly. With these three things, I love to live fully with integrity, respect, or empathy. And I just love to do work for my value system to improve myself. So it's my value system, it's my way of living, and I inspire you all. Try to find out your value system, what you want to do. We understand two things: one is character, second is personality. Character means when we are working when no one is watching us. If we are doing the right kind of things all the time, then we will definitely get result. And personality, we just make fake also. We just want to show the best picture in front of others. So that's not the right thing. Always do work for your character. And it's my way of living. I love to do work for my character, my value system, and my ethics and values. You share about yours. Are you working or not?